Hey everybody, how is all my lovelies today? Today we're going to talk about it is impossible to bring more money into your life to attract it when you're focusing on the lack of it. What you want to focus on is wealth. Wealth is all around you in every area of your life. You're wealthy in finances. You're wealthy in abundance of creation, the blades of the grass, the leaves on the trees. Start looking at everything as wealth. Your house, your home, your gifts under your tree this time of year. It's just amazing. The clothes that you already have, the things that you already have for your family, be very grateful for them. It's wealth. Consider it wealth. Change it in your mindset as wealth around you. You want to create in your mind this, I'm already wealthy. I'm already living in wealth. This will attract more wealth in all areas of your lives, including finances, including the money that you are wanting. We want to get rid of that word need. You don't need anything. You've got what you need, quote, but you're wanting to better your life. You're wanting to better your family's circumstances. You're praying to the Lord that things will get better for you. Well, here's how you attract it into your life. Everything that you pray for, remember that, believe that you already have it, whether it's health, finances, or anything. The house you've been praying for, it's already yours. Just know that in your heart. Know it like your dad or mom said they're going to buy you an ice cream cone. You don't doubt that. You just say, okay, you go about your happy day and you're expecting that ice cream cone. You know that your mom and dad keep their word. Most moms and dads do. You're going to get that ice cream cone. Same with the Lord, same with God, same with the universe. You know you're going to get it. I can't tell you the time set because everybody's different. Everybody's doing their affirmations differently and doing their writing work differently. So I can't tell you how long this will take. For everybody, it's different. But I'm hoping that you will write down below some of your breakthroughs. I know I've had good results in this area and have attracted quite a few things. And I am ecstatic about it. But like I said, concentrate on wealth. The Lord already gave you a wealth of hair on your head. Every hair is numbered by Him, not by us, but Him. And we can never count it. Just start seeing things in the terms of wealth. That's what I'm saying. With that, I'm going to leave you with a God bless you. You are loved, deeply loved. Please like, share, and subscribe. Know that the universe loves you. I love you. Jesus loves you. The angels love you. I hope you have a tremendous day today. It's a beautiful day, and I just love you all so much. Love and light to each and every one of you. God bless you, and bye for now.